pole damaging 2 cars. Thousands of people were without power during today's big game. So instead of throwing a watch party at home, they went to their nearby restaurant or bar. Governor Green says most of the state is essentially closed tomorrow.
I want to make that very clear to people. You're not going to have anyone but essential workers in the workforce out. We want you to be safe. If there's any question about whether you fall into that category, call your supervisor. If you're in the private sector, which most of us are, just only go out if it's really necessary.
So the big question is, when will this all end? Justin Cruz is here to tell us. Hey, Jess.
Well, Bridge, it's going to be a while before the winds and the rain start to subside. In fact, it's going to be days. We'll see clearing conditions from the rain around Tuesday with drier conditions Wednesday. And then the winds, they stick around a little bit longer. It's going to be windy through Wednesday. We'll see decreasing winds starting Thursday. So we have essentially a few more days of this system that's essentially parked over the islands and not moving anywhere fast. So we're going to have this weather, and of course be prepared. Clear your drains and gutters, secure any loose objects around the house that hasn't been blown down the street already. Flash flooding is possible along with power outages and more downed or uprooted trees. Those wind gusts were impressive today, 50, 60 miles per hour. National Weather Service says in some cases there may be wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. These winds aren't going anywhere for a long time. Sustained winds, 34, 35 miles per hour for Maui County, 37 for Lanai, but it's really those wind gusts that have been very, very powerful. As far as our rain situation, again, we have a system that is parked over the islands. It's stalled. It's going to be a few days before this starts to clear out. I would say by Tuesday night, definitely by Wednesday, we'll see drier conditions returning to the islands. So be patient. It's going to be a few more days. And look at all this wet weather. Some of this is actually high cloud cover, but the areas that are in yellow and orange or red, that's actually rain. The Big Island, currently Hilo side, under a flood advisory through 9 p.m. tonight. And if you notice to the east of the Big Island, there's heavier showers that are about to move ashore. We also have downpours for Kauai. Not too much going on for Oahu outside of light showers along the Ko'olau Mountains, and East Maui seeing some downpours as well. Wet and cloudy and windy, at least through Tuesday for those showers. And then Wednesday, it's still going to be very windy with the winds decreasing by Thursday of next week. Bridget, over to you.
Thanks, Jess.